Well, good morning. We're going to go through a tool haul here I got. This is from an online estate auction. Let's start off with one lot here, $2.50. Bottle openers and miscellaneous. Got an advertising bottle opener here. A tire company out of Ogden, Utah. Little advertising screwdriver. Salt Lake City, Utah. I don't know if this has anything underneath that or not. Whatever that is, bottle opener, church key. The quad fold. Bottle opener. But the reason why I got this is for a razor. This is a Gillette razor. It's quadruple, silver plated. See all the tarnish on this, all blacked out. This dated 1909 is when this razor itself was made. Let's put these aside here. For $5, I bought some Cutie razor blades. These are them here. There's several of them, as you can see, but these are also shaving items. Let me get a Cutie razor out of my collection. So this is from my personal collection, and it was a razor marketed for shaving underarms. And let's get to the razor itself here. Can you imagine shaving with something like this? That's a regular size. The regular size takes razor blades that the Cutie razor can easily fit on. That's from late 1930s, if I remember right, is when the Cutie comes. Gillette had his first patent in November of 1904. And they're still making razors, but interesting business model is he was marketing the blades and not the razor handles themselves. So let's get this out of the way. Next item was a pity bid, $5. It's a wood plane with a broken handle. The handle's included. I'm not a woodworker, so I don't know which way the handle goes. The iron stamped Ohio tool. So just do a little repair. You might have a decent tool to take up space on the shelf. Next one, a box of tools. Let's see. Just a minute. A box of tools with advertising box here for some table grapes. Anyway, this is just a bid because it looked like there's some interesting stuff in there. Let's see what was in there. Got a brand new bag here, Stove Bright. Whatever the heck that is. Probably garbage to me. Safety glasses. Could always use a wood mallet. Maybe put that in the leather tools or on the blacksmith table. A garbage sharpening stone. Got a screw machine. You see the handle there? It's kind of spiraled. I don't see any marks. Some nails. Garbage. Oh, hey, look. More files. More files. Socket. Garbage trowel. Safety glasses. Sears. Sanding block. Really lightweight. 2 claw hammers. Let's see, that one says, wear safety goggles. Maybe that's a plum. That one's a Vaughn. Some pruning shears. True Temper. Steel wool. Pretty neat to see a Fairmount wrench. Made in USA. Ooh. Got a neat wrench there. This one's a Fairmount. Some saw blades. You can see something there. It's missing the top, whatever's on there, but a big screwdriver. Tape measure. HK Porter Company. Garbage. Another file. Let's see, we got a Thorston. We got a, let's see, made in USA Stanley Jobmaster screw machine. Another Thorston wrench. We got a super wrench. Oh, there it is. Williams. Thorston wrench. This one. Truecraft. Some chalk. There's no UPC code on the box, so you know this is pre-1972. Some wire. This is Mark Philco. Let's go to a radio. I don't know what that is. Might be fun to research that. Black & Decker tape for measure. Uh-oh. They don't know how to work. We got an adjustable crescent wrench. Missing parts. So I guess that'll be some material to make a knife or something, I guess. This one is marked Hexo. You got a buffalo wrench. Barklow. It's got a little wowie in there. We'll have to fix that. But it works. It operates pretty smooth. Let's see, this is a crew line. Pair of needle nose. These ones are pretty neat. Drop forged, but look. Neat little handle pattern there. Screw machine. Phillips variety. Snap-on. Just some slip joint pliers. Challenger Proto. Really neat handle. Forged Steel USA. Not neat, but it does have a screwdriver on the end right there. Bosco screw machine, straight. This one is oh cool, Firestone wrench. Thorsten file. Can't read that one. This is a Sears wrench. Files. Just a stamped steel. No name on that one. A saw handle. It's Stanley Handyman. Another screw machine. Made in USA. Can't see anything else on it. Center bunch. Another file. Got a square. It's really thick. E.C. Simmons. I don't know if you can see that. Number 12, so excited about that one. That'll clean up really nice. Grease, staples, hooks, pocket knife here. And I can't read anything on there. I don't know anything about pocket knives other than this one here is bent. I don't know if you can really see. But there we go. Now I'll sort through the garbage and keep what I'm going to keep. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.